Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to share to you how we could embed Google Calendars to your course page. So I'm currently in our learning management system. Now I'll be logging in as a teacher. So this time please click the login button here and then select the username and password. In my case, I'm going to use here teacher's account. Click login. Once you have successfully logged in, you need to select the course where you would like to place your Google Calendar. Okay, so here I'm going to place my Google Calendar in the first section of our course here. To do that, you just need to click here, turn editing on. Okay, so we need to set that one first. The next thing to do is that I need you to open your Gmail account. So in my case, I have opened Gmail account already. Now if you would refer to this section here, click on the Google Apps, you're going to see here Google Calendar or Calendar. Click this icon and then Google Calendar will appear. Please take note, you need to use your MDSF account here. So once you have opened your Gmail account, or rather your calendar, on this side here, okay, on this side, you're going to see here several calendars. So I have here Haji Tehuko as one of my calendars. I could also set my birthdays, my calendars, and so on. So by default, once you have opened your Google Calendar, you'll be seeing this particular account, which is the default account that is set to you. Now let's say we would like to create our own account aside from this one here. To do that, you're going to see here other calendars. Click the plus sign or add a calendar. Then you need to create here a new calendar. You need to specify the name of the calendar, in which case, let's say calendar, let's say class calendar 2020. Then you could also specify here the name or the description of the calendar. Then after that, you have the option here to select the time zone or Philippine Standard Time. And then currently you are the owner of this, and then the organization is Montessori de Sagrada Familia. After that, click Create Calendar. Once you have created the calendar, so let's just wait. So calendar is now being processed. Now you will see here that the calendar has successfully been created. Next step is for you to configure it. Okay, now if you go back to the main page earlier, you're going to see the calendar that you have created already, which is Class Calendar 2020. If you want to configure it, click these options here and then go to Settings and Sharing. Okay, so it's the same item that you had earlier. So in this case, the first item is on this side, which is access permission. You have to make this one available to public. Okay, otherwise it will not be displayed in our learning management system. Okay, so after that you need to scroll down again. Okay, let's look for the integrate calendar. So what I would like you to do is to copy the embed code here starting from iframe. Okay, just select the file here, double click, select the file, and after that right click and then copy. Okay, so we need to embed this particular item. Okay, by the way, let's look into other options. Okay, you could also, okay, well, I think that's okay for now. So just need to copy the embed files here. After that, you need to go back to your course. Okay, in this case, let's place your calendar here. Click add an activity or resource. Now let's embed this inside a page. So scroll down and then click here page and then click add. Okay, once the page has been loaded, first thing is that you need to give the page a name. So let's say calendar of activities. Okay, next is, if you like to have a description, you could paste this one also. So here you could display it in your course page, or if not, you just uncheck this box here. Next thing to do is, okay, by the way, let's copy the code again. Okay, I'm going to go back here, then click the item here, and then so that you'll able to see all the toolbars available in our page content. Now click the last item, which is HTML, and then I would like you to erase and then paste your code here. So this would embed our Google Calendar. Now you could still change the width and height depending on your preference. After that, click this one again. Now your Google Calendar will now appear. Okay, now let's add an activity to your Google Calendar. I would like you to go back to your Google Calendar here. So I'm now at my Google Calendar. Now let's say the day today is the 22nd. So let's say we have a meeting on the 25th. So what I would like you to do is to wait, let's go back to May. Okay, we will have a meeting here. Click on this one, and then you're going to see here add title and time. So let's say class meeting. Okay, and then you could specify here the time, add guest, the location, and other description. If you click here more options, okay, it will display to you other items such as the details. Okay, you could also embed here, add a Google Meet video conferencing if you like. So from time to time, let's say you would like to have a conference with your students, and then you could invite them here. Okay, and then that's it. You could also specify here if you like to add attachment and others. So let's say class activity that will be on May 25. Okay, just click here save, and then the class is already the activity is already posted in my Google Calendar. Now if you go back to your page here and then refresh, it should reflect in your Google Calendar your class meeting. Okay, so if let's say there will be other activities such as, let's say, a quiz or an exam, you can place it here so that the students will be aware of the different activities that will be happening in your class. Okay, so that is how Google Calendar, or that is how we embed Google Calendars in our learning management system. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.